The Journey Beyond. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a young woman named Emma. She had always been curious about the world beyond her village, and one day, she decided to embark on a journey of discovery. With a small backpack slung over her shoulder, Emma set out early in the morning as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange. Her path led her through dense forests, across babbling brooks, and over towering mountains. Along the way, she encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. The owl spoke with a voice that carried the wisdom of centuries. "Young traveler, the path ahead is filled with challenges and wonders. Embrace the lessons the journey offers, and you shall find what your heart seeks." Intrigued by the owl's words, Emma continued her journey with a renewed sense of purpose. As she crossed a vast desert, she met a nomadic storyteller who shared tales of distant lands and mystical creatures. The world is a tapestry woven with stories. Every step you take adds a thread to the grand narrative of life. Emma listened intently, realizing that each encounter on her journey was a story waiting to be told. She crossed bustling marketplaces, where merchants from different cultures bartered goods and exchanged smiles. Amidst the vibrant colors and diverse languages, Emma found unity in the shared human experience. In a quiet mountain village, she learned the art of meditation from a serene monk who spoke of finding peace within oneself. True knowledge lies not only in the vastness of the external world but also in the depths of your own soul. The journey was not without its challenges. Storms tested Emma's resilience, and dark forests challenged her courage. Yet, with each trial, she grew stronger and more attuned to the rhythm of the world. Eventually, Emma reached the shores of a vast ocean, where the horizon seemed to stretch infinitely. As she gazed at the endless expanse of water, she felt a profound connection to the world and its mysteries. The journey had transformed Emma, and she realized that the true essence of discovery was not only in the places she visited but in the understanding she gained about herself and the interconnectedness of all things. With a heart full of gratitude, Emma decided to return to her village, carrying the stories and wisdom she had gathered. As she walked the familiar path home, she knew that the journey had been more than a physical adventure, it had been a voyage of the soul.